Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Photos app on your Google Pixel device. Once the app opens, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on Collections. This section organizes all your photos and videos into different categories, making it easier to locate specific content you want to work with. Now scroll through your collections and find the video you want to edit. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on the video to open it. This will display the video in full screen mode and give you access to all the editing tools available for that particular video file. With your video now open, look at the bottom of the screen again. You'll notice several options there, and one of them is Edit. Tap on Edit to enter the video editing interface. This is where you can make various adjustments to your video, including trimming, applying filters, and of course, modifying the audio settings. After tapping Edit, you'll see different editing tools appear at the bottom of your screen. Among these options, locate and tap on Audio. This specific tool gives you complete control over the sound in your video, allowing you to adjust volume levels or remove the audio entirely. Once you're in the audio section, you'll notice a slider that controls the audio volume of your video. This slider lets you fine-tune exactly how loud or quiet you want the audio to be. However, for our purpose of completely removing the audio, you'll see a mute icon nearby. Go ahead and tap the mute icon. This will instantly silence all audio in your video, effectively removing any sound that was originally recorded with it. After you've muted the audio, you'll need to save these changes. Look for a checkmark icon typically located at the top or bottom of the screen and tap it to confirm your edits. The app will then process your video with the new audio settings applied. And that's it. Your video now has no audio and is ready to be shared or saved without any sound. This feature is particularly useful when you want to add different music later, create silent content, or simply remove unwanted background noise from your recordings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.